Hi, my name is Lorraine, a proud Wiradjuri woman. I currently live in Melbourne and would like to tell you about my life. I was born in a small town in regional New South Wales, and when I was 3, I had an accident and a piece of plastic shot through my eye and cut my optic nerve. I had to have microsurgery to repair the eye. We eventually moved to another town, but in Victoria, and I tried to do all the things that the other kids did. Although I had no depth perception, I tried to play sports because I like sports. One day I got hit in the head with a basketball, and for a bit I lost my vision and was unable to see, so it was no more sports for me once we went to the doctors. When I was 6 or 7 I was in terrible pain. I would be sick as the pain was so bad, and all the doctors told my parents that they needed to discipline me. I went to an ophthalmologist and had a very high pressure reading and had to be treated for glaucoma. And they just didn't think I would get it because it's an old person's disease, but I had it when I was 6. When I was 16, all my friends started getting their learner's permits, and I was told by Vic Roads I couldn't get mine as you have to be able to see with both eyes. I'm now the mother of Odin, who has autism. I still can't get a license. He hated the tram and would often spit and punch and bite me as soon as the tram got packed. So every time I took him to the doctors, I would have to deal with him and people on the tram not being as supportive of a person with a kid that was playing up. So we started using taxis, and I would spend a lot of money on taxis to and from medical appointments and other therapy for Odin. One day I got an optic migraine and I couldn't see. I went to the eye and ear hospital and they said it was normal and did a glaucoma check. I left the waiting room area unable to see, and my eyes were not working. The brightness outside hurt my eyes and it made it impossible to see. I had to wait till I could see to get the tram home and hope that it was in time to pick up Odie. Recently I noticed I couldn't see the computer as well as I used to. I started making stupid mistakes and I couldn't really read the numbers. I was so scared as I'm an Aboriginal woman and thought, what if I have developed diabetes and permanently damaged my eyes? I went to the doctor and optometrist and they said I didn't have diabetes, but I did need reading glasses and I really should wear protective glasses as I only have one eye, and I'll always get my health checks done.